Lab 12-2, Explore Data Masking Results and Reports in Oracle DataSafe.
In this lab, you learn how to do the following: view masking formats and masking policies in the library, analyze data masking results and reports.
Step 1. Sign in to the Oracle DataSafe console for your region. From the navigation menu, click DataSafe. You will then need to click Service Console. Step 2. Explore masking formats in the library. In the Oracle DataSafe console, click the Library tab. Then click Masking Formats. In the search box, enter Employee and press Enter, or the magnifying glass. Do the same for Department and press Enter. Notice that there are no matching masking formats listed for Employee. Clear the search field and press Enter to restore the list of masking formats. Click the Age masking format. Notice that there is a description and 3 examples. The description says, replace values with random numbers between 0 and 110. Click Close. Step 3. Explore masking policies in the library. Click the Library tab. Then click Masking Policies. Your masking policy that you created in Masking Lab 1, Discover and Mask Sensitive Data by using default masking formats in Oracle DataSafe, should be listed. The dates when the policy was created and last updated are displayed. Click your masking policy, review the details, and then close the window. Notice that you can move the Expand All slider to the right to view all of the sensitive columns and their respective masking policies. You can click Add to add additional sensitive columns, and notice that you can click Upload Pre/Post Masking Scripts. To return to the Masking Policies page in the library, click the browser's back button. If you click Exit, you are returned to the home page as well. Step 4. Download your masking policy. Go to the Library tab and click on Masking Policies. Select the checkbox for your masking policy and click Download. The Download Masking Policy dialog box is displayed. Click Yes to download both the sensitive data model and the masking policy as a combined template, or click No to download just the masking policy. The XML file is downloaded to your browser. A confirmation message is displayed on your page. You can view your list of downloads in your browser and open the masking policy XML file. Review the file and then close it. Step 5. Explore the data masking report. Click the Reports tab. On the left, click Data Masking, and then again, Data Masking. Click your data masking report in the Content pane to view it. Step 6. Explore the Jobs page. Click the Jobs tab. The Current and Past Jobs tab shows you all of the jobs that you ran and are in the process of running. The Scheduled Job tab shows you all of the jobs that are scheduled. Examine the list of jobs on the Current and Past Jobs tab. Position your cursor over the Start Time column heading. Then, click the arrow to sort the column in descending order. This action shows you your latest jobs. Find a recent data discovery job, and then view the elapsed time column. This column tells you how long the job took. Click the Data Discovery Jobs ID to view all of its details. Click the X button to close the dialog box. You can search by operation. Search Masking. Click a Data Masking Jobs ID to view all of its details. Click the X button to close the dialog box.